The United Nations has confirmed that one UN international staff member has been killed and five others injured in an explosion in the Gaza Strip. The cause of the blast remains unclear. The development has led to conflicting claims, with Gaza authorities blaming Israel while the Israeli military denies responsibility. Jorge Moreira da Silva, head of the UN Office for Project Services, said an explosive ordnance was dropped or fired but did not confirm who was responsible. The Gaza Health Ministry reported that an Israeli attack on a UN site in Deir el-Balah resulted in the death of one foreign worker and serious injuries to five others. Gaza's government media office has strongly condemned the incident, calling it part of a deliberate policy targeting UN and humanitarian institutions. Statement from Gaza's government media office said, and I quote, "This crime is part of a deliberate policy targeting UN and humanitarian institutions to prevent them from fulfilling their duty to assist the Palestinian people." End quote. The media office has called on the United Nations to take a clear and strong stance and act immediately to hold Israel accountable, further demanding an urgent international investigation into the incident. However, the Israeli military has denied responsibility, dismissing reports that it carried out an attack on the UN site in Deir al-Balah. The Israeli military statement said, and I quote, "The military calls on media outlets to act with caution regarding unverified reports." End quote. Photographs and footage obtained by media organizations show injured foreign nationals arriving at Deir al-Balah's Al-Aqsa hospital following the reported attack. The explosion comes amid continued bombardment in Gaza. Since Israel resumed strikes on Tuesday, at least 436 Palestinians have been killed, according to the Gaza Health Ministry. Meanwhile, Hamas has issued a statement condemning what it calls the Israeli targeting of a UN headquarters that led to the death of the UN worker. Hamas statement said, and I quote, "This crime constitutes a flagrant violation of international humanitarian law and is part of the occupation's systematic policy of targeting civilians and humanitarian workers." End quote. Hamas has accused Israel of attempting to intimidate relief workers, prevent them from carrying out humanitarian duties, and deepen the crisis in Gaza. The group also claims that since the start of the war, hundreds of UNRWA staff and humanitarian workers have been killed as part of what it calls a wider effort to tighten the blockade on Gaza and deprive its people of basic necessities. The attack on the UN site adds to the growing tensions over humanitarian efforts in Gaza. The Israeli government has faced repeated accusations of obstructing relief work, while it continues to defend its military operations, citing security concerns. Hamas official Teher al-Nono stated that despite the ongoing bombardment, the group remains open to negotiations, but insists that there is no need for new agreements when a signed one already exists. With conflicting claims, calls for international intervention, and rising casualties, the situation in Gaza remains volatile. Stay tuned for more updates.